Alright, so I made a quick little video, I'll say probably about like 20 minutes ago, about authentic pair of 72 pin connectors for an AS. And beforehand, it was extremely glitchy and the video was very unstable. And the video was more stable, but it's basically the same amount glitchy. And I've been trying to clean it and reseat the pins. But as you can see, it's not working at all. And basically, that's all I really see. But if I make some more progress, then I'll probably make another video. So yeah, I'll see you all next time. And goodbye.